Hi there, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Have you ever had one of those moments where someone in your family gets sick and you realize you're kind of scrambling to figure out what to do? I know because I've been there. With 6 kids and a busy life, I used to feel like I was always reacting instead of actually being prepared. And that's when I realized every family needs a wellness system in place. Not something complicated, but something simple that you can rely on. A wellness system is really just having a few key things in place so you're not guessing when something comes up. It's knowing what you take daily to support your body, what you reach for when you or someone in your family is dealing with a health challenge, and having simple tools that actually work for your family. Because most families don't have this, we kind of piece things together. Maybe try something we saw online, run to the store last minute, and it can feel overwhelming, expensive, and let's face it, inconsistent. For me, the shift happened when I stopped looking for random solutions and started focusing on foundational health. I started supporting my body daily using natural products I could trust and actually having a plan. For me, keeping things simple has been key. I don't want a complicated system. I want something I can actually stick with. And it definitely has to be all natural, no synthetics or harmful ingredients, right? Well, my wellness system really comes down to 2 main pieces. First, it's my daily foundational support. This is what I do every single day to support my body from the inside out. I use VMG Plus, E Omega, and PB Restore. That combination gives my body the vitamins, minerals, omega fatty acids, and gut support it needs to function the way it's supposed to. And this is where I've seen the biggest difference in my energy, my mood, and just overall how I feel every day. Then the second part is having natural solutions on hand for when things do come up. And for me, it's this Family Essentials kit. It has 10 of my most used oils, and they really do help cover about 80% of the things that come up in our home. There are really just 3 main ways that we use these oils. We use them topically, so right there where the discomfort or where we need the support. We use it aromatically by diffusing them for sleep, mood, cleansing the air, and boosting immunity when something's going around. And the third way is internally. Many CPTG essential oils are safe to take internally. You can take them in a veggie capsule, in a glass of water, under your tongue, or often I'll just swallow a drop or 2 straight down my throat. A simple way to know which ones are safe for internal use is to check the label. If it says supplemental facts on it, it's designed to be taken internally. If it doesn't, then it's meant to be used aromatically or topically. That's really it. It's simple, but it's a powerful and natural way for our family to be ready for whatever comes up. When you have a system in place, it helps you feel more calm and more confident. You're not panicking when something comes up. You feel like, I've got this. I know what to do for my family. And that feeling brings a lot of peace of mind. And here's something I didn't expect. Once I had a system that actually worked for me and my family, I naturally started sharing it with other people, friends, family, or other moms. And I found a simple way to get my own products paid for every single month. I help others do this all the time because I believe all families can have their natural health care paid for. Also, when you know of a natural solution that helps your kid fall asleep easier, or how to care for a kid with ear problems, or a respiratory issue, or a number of other things, and then you hear of a friend that's dealing with that same thing, you can't help but want to share what works. So if you feel like your family doesn't really have a wellness system yet, I'd love to help you create one. Something simple, something that fits your life. If you're ready to put a wellness system in place, I put a link in the description where you can get your own foundational wellness bundle or the Family Essentials kit at wholesale costs. So you can actually have those tools in your home whenever you need them. Every family deserves to feel supported in their health. And it really can be just so much simpler than we think. Catch you guys next time.